Tired of letting your RBC Avion points gather dust? Let's unlock the power of instant redemption, turning those points into tangible rewards in a flash. First, log into your RBC Online Banking account. Locate the Avion Rewards section, typically found on the main dashboard or under your account summaries. Click on it. This takes you to the Avion Rewards portal. Here, you'll see your available points balance now. Decide how you want to redeem. Consider travel if you're dreaming of a getaway, merchandise for that gadget you've been eyeing, or statement credit to ease your budget. Let's say you choose travel. Click on the desired category. This opens a new window showcasing flight, hotel, and other travel-related offers. You can search and compare options using your points. Or, if you want merchandise, select that option and browse the available items. Check the points required for each item and add it to your cart if it fits your budget. If a statement credit sounds appealing, click the relevant link and select the amount of points you want to redeem as a credit to your RBC account. The equivalent dollar value will be displayed clearly. Once you've selected your reward, carefully review the details on the confirmation page. Ensure everything is accurate before hitting redeem. That's it. You've instantly redeemed your Avion points, making the most of your rewards. So start exploring and unlock the true value of your RBC Avion points.